Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to um, do an assembly, or the quickest way to do an assembly. Um, it's actually when you insert, you're going to insert the Part Studio and insert the entire Part Studio. Don't insert piece by piece. And then what will happen is all of your pieces will be in relative place. So you can move parts out, and it makes it easier for you to put things back together. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix one of my parts. Actually, you don't even need to fix one of your parts. So then you're going to go in and start doing your mate constraints. So you use a fasten mate, and then you just want to join up um, corners that mate together. So remember, when you get in here and you see the mate constraint that you want, hold shift, then go over to that mate constraint. I'm going to make that one top corner of that finger joint fit into, hold shift, go there, and then I'm going to click the check mark, and then you'll notice that these two parts are now fixed together. And the next thing I need to do is move that piece out a little bit. And now I'm going to fasten mate. I'm going to get in here, zoom in, fasten mate that corner with this corner. Go ahead and click solve. And then you're going to continue this until you have all of your parts mated together. Now, what I want to do here is I'm going to go ahead and take the drawer out. I'm going to kind of keep it in order just to make it easier for me to put back together. Base of the drawer here. All right, now I'm going to move this piece out and do another fasten mate. And zoom in, and now that it's there, check mark here, check mark those together. Okay, let's kind of move things around a little bit. So now I want to do the base, and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of those and come back and show you what we'll do after that. Okay, so once you have all of your stuff mated together in your desktop organizer, you're going to want to fix the organizer itself in place. So you right click and go to fix, and then you're going to move the drawer so that it's relatively close to where you need it to be. And then we're going to go ahead and do there's a couple of ways to do this. You can do a slider mate, um, and that'll allow it to slide. Um, and if we do that, we can do a slider mate with this corner, and we can do it with this corner here. And we'll click solve. And this will allow us to slide our drawer in and out and keep it relatively straight. Okay, so when you do your slider mate, make sure you're picking an axis that you're using your slider mate on. And I can go back and edit this. I can do offsets, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. And this allows us to, so I'll do that one more time so you can see the slider mate. So let's go ahead and delete this slider mate. Do it one more time so you can see how I got in there and did this axis. So I'm going to go slider mate, and I'm going to get in close so you can see. I'm going to do this axis here, which is a corner. It's kind of like a line. I'm going to get in here. I'm going to do it I want it to slide along that corner. And it's going to look a little jacked up at first, but then when you click the check mark, it should solve it. And then you have your slider so that you can slide your drawer in and out. Okay. When you submit this, you need to submit it in its isometric view with the drawer out, so we can see the drawer. And so I'm going to go here, and you can either print and zoom out, and then you're going to save this as a PNG download image.